In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ChatGPT. 26 full guide. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, or you're worried a lingering session might still be open somewhere, this walkthrough will help you sign out everywhere quickly and safely. We'll start inside the main ChatGPT website. Open your preferred desktop or mobile browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once you're in, look for your profile area. It may appear as your photo, your initials, or a small name badge. Depending on your layout, it can be in the bottom left of the sidebar or up in the top right of the window. Click it, then choose the settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Inside the settings window, you'll see a list on the left. Click Security. This section is separate from General Preferences because it controls your active sessions. Find the row labeled Log Out of All Devices or Log Out All. Click the corresponding button to trigger a universal sign-out. When prompted, confirm. This action is designed to invalidate your current session tokens, not just hide your view. The moment you confirm, your local session ends right away and you'll be returned to the main sign-in screen. That's expected. Behind the scenes, there's a short rollout period while the logout command reaches other devices. It can take up to 30 minutes for the distributed servers to fully revoke tokens across phones, tablets, desktop apps, and any other places you were signed in. During that window, avoid reusing old tabs or re-authenticating on untrusted devices and give the system a bit of time to finish the wipe. If you build automations or use no-code tools that connect to the OpenAI API, note that a standard ChatGPT logout does not stop API activity. To secure those integrations, open a new tab and go to platform.openai.com. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings, then navigate to your profile or API keys. From there, you can use Logout All under the platform's security controls or delete individual keys by clicking the trash can icon next to each one. Revoking keys takes effect immediately, so any scripts or connected apps using them will stop at once. After the reset, any unauthorized or dormant device that tries to access your chats will be blocked and pushed back to the sign in or account creation screen. When you return to your primary devices, simply sign in again with your usual email or your single sign-on option, such as continue with Google. That's it. Taking a moment to fully sign out is one of the simplest ways to protect your prompts and keep your workspace secure, especially when moving between shared systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.